Good morning. Today we will be covering the market update dated the 5th of July 2022. Indian indices opened on positive note on July 5th with Nifty above 15,900 on the back of positive global cues in contrast to previous close of 15,835 points. Day range for the indices is from 15,891 to 15,983 points. Sensex opened on positive note as well with indices above 53,500 in contrast to previous close of 53,234 points. Day range for the indices is from 53,437 to 53,715 points. For the recent development in the corporate world, we have HDFC Bank on Monday said it has got banking sector regulator RBI's nod for the merger proposal of its parent HDFC Limited with itself. HDFC Bank has received a letter dated July 4, 2022 from the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, whereby the RBI has accorded its no objection for the scheme, subject to certain conditions as mentioned therein. The proposed entity will have a combined asset base of around 18 lakh rupees crore. The merger is expected to be completed by the second or third quarter of 2024, subject to regulatory approvals. Once the deal is effective, HDFC Bank will be 100% owned by public shareholders, and existing shareholders of HDFC will own 41% of the bank. Every HDFC shareholder will get 42 shares of HDFC Bank for every 25 shares held. The strategic disinvestment process of Neelachal Ispat Nigam Limited has been completed, announced Ministry of Finance on Monday, with Tata Steel Long Products taking over the company. NINL is a joint venture of four central public sector enterprises: Metals and Minerals Trading Corporation, National Mineral Development Corporation, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Metallurgical and Engineering Consultants Limited, Odisha Mining Corporation, and Industrial Promotion and Investment Corporation of Odisha. NINL's strategic disinvestment transaction has been completed with the transfer of 93.71% shares of the joint venture partners. MMTC with 49.78% shareholding, NMDC with 10.10%, BHEL with 0.68%, MACON with 0.68%, OMC with 20.47% and IPICOL with 12.00% to the strategic buyer Tata Steel Long Products Limited, a subsidiary of Tata Steel. The acquisition of NINL was critical for Tata Steel to build a dedicated long products complex, as company has its own captive power plant to meet the internal power requirement and air separation unit for producing oxygen, nitrogen and argon. EdTech firm Byju said on Monday that it has completed the due payment for the acquisition of Aakash Educational Service Limited and received the majority of the $800 million fund announced in March. The company is estimated to have paid around $950 million for the acquisition. Talking about the layoffs at the company, the statement said the decision was made to improve business efficiencies throughout the firms and its subsidiaries. To reduce redundancies across our organization after multiple acquisitions, company had to let go of nearly 1% of over 50,000 strong workforces. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp or email. Thank you for being patient and listening the video to the end. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel to know the latest updates in the market. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.